Hello everyone, we are from Malineni Lakshmaya Women's Engineering College from Data Science branch 3rd year. This is Pujita and our team members are Alekya, Anuradha, Ritika. I am here to tell you about securing agriculture subsidies using blockchain technology. Our problem statement is leakage of agriculture subsidy. The size of agriculture subsidy according to the government record shows only 1% of the cash transactions have failed, which means 99% is success, which is not valid, but 20% of the farmers complained about not getting subsidies. In the below figure, we can see the amount of subsidy received, amount of subsidies not received from 2018 to 2023. The stakeholders involved are farmers, government financial department, agriculture department. Benefits of stakeholders. Farmers. Farmer subsidies can provide financial support, helping them to overcome challenges such as unpredictable weather conditions or market fluctuations. Government financial department. The government financial department benefits from agriculture subsidies by promoting economic stability, fostering rural development, gaining political support, and enhancing social welfare. Agriculture department. Agriculture department benefits are agricultural inputs such as seeds, fertilizers and machinery due to the subsidy, leading to higher sales and revenue. The existing system is the farmer need to go Department of Land Records and submit the documents, and the documents are sent to the Government of Indian Treasury. They verify it and send the amount to the customer bank account. The existing system has various complexities such as duplication and tampering of submitted farmland records, fraud cash transfer in the bank accounts, and delay in the process which is faced by the farmers as depicted. The proposed solution is, in the first step, the farmer will register to blockchain-based fund transfer system by uploading his farmland records and get authenticated via Uday Aadhaar card. In turn, blockchain-based system will generate a unique digital identity such as wallet address. In the second step, the details provided by the farmer, the banks and Department of Land Records will verify the details mutually such as farmland records, Aadhaar number, mobile number, ration number, etc. After verifying the blockchain-based fund transfer system details, the Government of India will initiate the fund transfer process. So in this way, the system removes the middleman, fake identity entities and provides immediate transfer of funds. Smart contracts are farmer registration, farmer subsidy allocation, reapply avoidance. Firstly, farmer registration. Find a blockchain platform to our application that offers agriculture subsidy registration. Create an account on the platform and provide the required information such as your farming details and identification. Submit the necessary documents such as proof of land ownership or lease through the platform. Once verified, farmers can securely access and participate in the subsidy program using their blockchain-based identity. Secondly, farmer subsidy allocation. After verification in blockchain, it provides a wallet address. By using wallet address, allocation of subsidy is done. Blockchain technology also provides transparency and immutability, allowing farmers to track and verify allocation of subsidies. And the third one is reapply avoidance. If farmers reapply for the same subsidy, the blockchain will send a message that you are already registered.